everyone. Today I'm showing you some of the things we grabbed from Aldi and Sam's Club. I'm whipping up some meals, but stick around because later in the video I'm taking you out to the garden and there's a surprise waiting out there and it's not something you can eat. I'm trying these today, these egg bites we got from Sam's. They're uncured bacon and 3 cheese. Of course, it would be probably a lot cheaper just to make my own eggs, but on mornings where I'm not feeling like cooking because I just did a cooking marathon, or the kitchen is pristinely clean and I just want to use the air fryer and throw the liner away and not have a mess. Or for someone who hits the drive-thru for these would be a lot better economically in that sense. But they're good. And I'm having them with some blueberries we got. So, somewhat low carb breakfast. And of course, coffee. These are very tasty. They're just so good. And I just thought of another application for these. I think you can air fry a biscuit. I don't know, just to warm it up, or maybe you can do it from frozen. Not sure about the refrigerator ones, but wouldn't that be, you could just slap that on a biscuit. Wouldn't that be a cute little portable breakfast? Or you could put these in a container, of course, but if you needed something to hold, or an English muffin, because they're not that big. Very yummy. Lunch today, I thought I'd show you these white peaches that we got from Sam's Club. They are a hit. Pappy's not a peach lover. He will eat them as a fruit choice. Not his first pick, but he said he already had taken one to work to eat and it was delicious, sweet and juicy. And I tasted one and yes, they are. Now, I can't vouch for every batch that you get from there, but just letting you know that we enjoyed them. And I also had one of those Built bars. And I forgot to film that part, but they were good too. Just having this and coffee. It is a balance the checkbook and do bills day. So, quick lunch. This is what it is. There's corn in there. Starting. I have Italian white sunflowers.
Hey, you got a sprayer there, you know.
Yeah, but I didn't think I was in its line of sight. Holy crap! Is it gonna get me again?
It might.
This is breakfast and lunch today. Totally missed breakfast. I have egg salad on toast. It's that 40-calorie Italian. And blueberries. And coffee. For a snack today, I'm having one of these Built bars. It's a chunk one. They're really the only kind that I really like. This pack did come with some, I think, peanut butter chocolate ones that don't have the chunks. I haven't tried those yet, but I have some coffee left, so I'm gonna have one of these. Not sponsored or anything, I just got these at Sam's, so I'm trying to show some of the things we got and what we're eating after our huge challenge and other adventures we've been doing. And this is what they look like, and it's basically just marshmallow type bar enrobed in chocolate, and they have some yummy just little chunks on it, and this is the s'mores variety. You either like them or you don't. There's people who don't like the consistency. They don't like marshmallow, so of course they're not going to like it, but I think they're pretty good for 160 calories, and they have, I think, pretty sure they have collagen, and I'll have to check on that. Yes, 15 grams of protein and collagen. Today we're trying our smoked salmon from Sam's. Supposed to put it on a bagel with red onion, and I didn't go pick any, so it's on an English muffin with cream cheese, but it'll be just as good. We have our blueberries and eggs and English muffins from the freezer. And Pappy made a sandwich with his. I'm having some egg bites and English muffin from the freezer today, and coffee. And this is my lunch. I was going to have a tomato sandwich, but I'm going to be making some pico or fresh salsa later. And I just got done editing the vacation video. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out. I'm a little tired, so I thought easy is going to be it. And I wasn't in the mood for tomato, and then I'll probably have a lot of the homemade pico or salsa or whatever it ends up to be later. While I did want to get some better Italian bread to have with the tomatoes that are everywhere here, I know I'm not going to eat it before the date, so I'm going to stick it in the freezer, and I'll just get it out as we need it. And if it even is in the freezer too long, toasting it, we can have toasted cheese tomato sandwiches or variations. This is my breakfast lunch combo here. I'm feeling guilty over the chicken nuggets, so I put some hot sauce and honey. Might make them better. There's still probably 9 left. Half of a bagel thin and cream cheese that needs used up, and coffee. I'm just looking over my chore list, and I'm gonna eat this and get to work again. We're eating one of our packs of our markdown filet we got at Sam's Club. Happy picked out the bacon wrapped chicken skewers at Aldi, and I picked out the Brussels sprouts, and then the beets, the pickled sweet beets, are from Sam's Club as well. And then Pappy's, but I think I'm switching him because I think he gave me the bigger steak by accident, and he already ate some beets. Pappy, how are the beets?
Good.
They don't sound convincing. Are they delicious, or are they just okay?
They're good.
Okay. Weighing my giant tomato, this is a Brandywine tomato, almost 2 pounds. Less than an ounce shy of 2 pounds. Still staying away from lettuce because of the things going on in the news with the parasitic infection. And I have some fresh tomatoes from the garden here, onion and jalapenos. I'm going to make sort of a fresh salsa to go with our tacos. I have my onion, and I cut up 1 jalapeno because I tasted it and it's on the spicy side, so I'm going to ask Pappy to taste it before I add 1 more that the recipe calls for. I cut the tomatoes up on the plate so that it would catch the juice. I'm using my taco meat out of the freezer, some cheese out of the freezer, and corn chips. Starting to look like a bit of a jungle out here. I went out into the garden to get some flat leaf parsley because I don't have any cilantro at the moment, but I found a visitor and I didn't end up getting any because I didn't want to disturb him. He's taking a rest. Here's our taco and salsa chips for supper. There's some cheese melted on there. And Pappy's. Here's another get it out of the freezer and use it up meal because it's been in there forever. And we used to get these for emergencies. I had a couple surgeries and this was something Pappy could just shove in the oven. So simple. We have mashed potatoes, our leftover cute little Brussels sprouts, and then the Salisbury steaks. In the future, I think I'm just going to make up my own Salisbury steaks and put them in a pan to be shoved in the oven in case of an emergency. I just felt, because I was having surgery, more of a comfort food would be better, and Pappy actually likes these, so he tolerates these. I don't know, he says he likes them. He even has them just on bread with just the gravy and the bread and the Salisbury steak and a canned vegetable. That's the reasoning behind getting these. And if you're a busy person, I can see where they'd come in handy. I think these were $3 something. I got the instant potatoes on sale. They were the store brand for 99 cents. Vegetables right around $1, depending if you get it at Walmart. I think the frozen veg are about $1, depending on what you get. Of course, the Brussels sprouts are more. You're talking a meal with leftovers for 2 or 3 for $5. Not bad. And this is what it looks like on the plate. And Pappy's. We are having sort of BLTs for supper. We're leaving out the L because I didn't buy any lettuce. The groundhog got our romaine, and I have a little bit of leaf lettuce out there in the garden, but it's pouring down rain. So we're just having the tomato, our giant tomato. This is a brandy wine. Bacon leftover from earlier. And I have Italian bread in the toaster. Because my tomato's sort of shaped odd, I'm going to cut it this way. That made some nice slices. Well, here's our rainy day supper. Our BLT without the L, some salsa and chips, and Pappy's. Be sure to tune in next time where I explain why, when you're saving money, I feel it's still okay to throw things out. Come along with me on my decluttering and organizing journey. As I go room by room, we may even get into the attic or the basement. Love to see you next time. Bye!